LiquidText now has a bookmark editor. There are a few ways to add bookmarks. First, in the document sidebar, you can go to the outline pane and select Add Bookmark. You can also select text and select Bookmark. And a bookmark is created that includes preview text from your selection. You can right-click or tap the three dots button to show the bookmark's context menu. Here, you can rename the bookmark, delete it, or copy a link to it, which you can even paste into other apps. If you have a lot of bookmarks, you may want to tag them to keep them organized. We'll tag this bookmark as evidence. Using the filter, you can find bookmarks based on their title or tags. Here we'll search for bookmarks with the tag evidence. One of the great things about bookmarks in LiquidText is that they work seamlessly with the document's native table of contents. So you can show the bookmarks, the native table of contents items, or even show them both together. Of course, you can also add bookmarks and access the bookmarks and table of contents from the minimized document sidebar as well.